I can feel the cool mist of this humidifier. And I like how you have up here your little twist PVC pipes, things that you can arrange in any order that you so desire. They come apart, you get to see it just come like that. But you can twist them, very simple design. This sits on here like that. You can see, I got this thing running on high right now. I'm just showing you the features of it here. Like I said, that's high. You can turn, it's on 3. You also can use the remote with it, which I like as well. But on the controls and on the remote, it's all the same. I can set it down to 1, and I'll leave it just die off up here a little bit. This is not too much for a regular size home, as you can see there, but you do get some nice mist. That's on the 1 setting now. Coming down here, I can hit it to 2. That's the 2nd setting. And I like how it actually does come out each of these. I think that's cool. Well, I got to twist that one a little bit. If you can see how each of them. So it's not like a faulty design where, you know, because this is capped off here, so it just forces it out each of the chutes. And then, of course, your maximum humidity there of 3. And then you can set your humidity by increments of 5. You can also have UV, just to, you know, make it fresh air coming out of there. I like that feature as well. And you also have a sleep timer as well that you can use. So, and a timer. So, and the timer goes from your hours there up to 12 hours, as you saw, and then back to, you can set it to 1 hour. And it does give you a water level indication here, so the whole base does fill up with water. Another neat thing is it actually has little tiny wheels on it, which is really cool. So you can maneuver this with a full thing of water and you know, get it positioned just right. I thought that was really neat. You didn't have to put anything together except really this. Which isn't hard at all. So I'm very pleased with this. I really like it. Does a great job, and you know, it's really not too much for. You can have a lot of humidity or a little bit of humidity, but it really makes breathing easy in a bedroom as well. It's not too big for there, and it's not too small for big areas, which is great as well. Very versatile, very useful.